So this is what I was telling you guys. They have kept multiple, that pair of sandal, this pair of sandal, then multiple mats so that you don't feel cold. And then there are multiple sockets. I will show you. Multiple sockets are there, which I hardly find in, any of the homestays. And the bed is super comfortable. It's a mess, so I'm not showing that. Very nice view, very beautiful view. And would you believe that this entire thing had costed us a little more than 1200 only? So, and looking at the balcony, it was completely covered with artificial grass. We have kept two of our chairs over here, and this, as you already know, overlooks the Kinder Kailash. So now we have to set out for Chitkul. Very excited for this one trip because Chitkul is the last village of India and it's supposed to be much more cold than this one. So let's go. তুমি ছাড়া এখন গান শোনো। Hi, so from Kalpa, Chitkul is around 45 to 50 kilometers, so it's going to take around 2 hours. So we just passed a bridge called Shongtong Bridge, and from here we will have to trace back upwards to Chitkul. So it's like Kalpa, and from here there's the bridge, and from here we will again go back to Chitkul on above. So yeah, let's see what. Hi everyone, so right now we are on our way to Chitkul, but we are standing at a joint where two rivers, the Baspa river and the Satluj river meet, and at that same point there is a big hydropower project going on, and there is a bridge as well. I'm standing right in front of Baspa river, and I will be showing you the amazing. The river is quite dried. Well, starting from there, that is the Kinnari Kailash again, and this is the Baspa river, and this is going like this, and that further one is the Satluj. So that is the hydropower plant, and our driver Babu is looking down at the water at something, I don't know what. Hi everyone, so on our way to Chitkul, we are right now at Sangla Valley, and this is the viewpoint of Sangla Valley, which will overlook the Baspa river as well as the nearby mountains, and it's a very beautiful picturesque place. The reason why we have waited here for some photos and obviously to take you guys with us. So this is the road. This road will go to Chitkul, the sign signature I love Sangla place, and there you can see the wide range of mountains, and that river, I will zoom in a little, that river is the Baspa river, and amazing beauty. Although it might feel that it's very very sunny, but the air is very very cool and very very pretty, so it's definitely worth it. Hi everyone, so I wanted to show you the view. We are just 1 kilometer away from Chitkul, and this is the Baspa river, and it is an amazing sight with all the tall. That's the road we came by, and these are the very tall mountains. That is Blue River, and that is Chitkul at an altitude of 11,320 square feet, which is India's last village. And just look at that majestic view. It is amazing. No words for it. That far away, that, you know, little lap in the middle of nature, those houses that you see there, that is Chitkul. And entire, during the winter season, the entire place will be with snow filled with snow. And that is the Vaspa river that is feeding from those mountains and those snow, and it is so tremendously beautiful. Hi guys, so right now, before even entering the hotel, we plan to go to the ITBP post, and from that post we will try to travel to the border as much as it will be, allowed for us. So I am excited. I have never traveled, I have never seen any border like this. Okay, by the way, this is border with China, okay, Tibet to be specific. So yeah, it's going to be adventure, definitely. Guys, so this is the ITBP post from which we are not allowed to go by car. We will have to walk. So let's see. I'm trying to possible. So guys, we thought that we might be allowed to go by walking, but we won't be allowed to go even by walking. That was the last post. So yeah, that is it. Sorry, we can't go. We're just trying to figure out how to go down and get to the Vaspa river. I think we'll have to, trek a little bit and go there. Let's see. আস্তে কিছু হবে না okay. I'm so happy we were able to make that, and Rohit has helped Ma, and also Ma could come. So now it's almost plain land and we are going to the Vaspa river. Wow, দেখলে তো মা না থাকবে. Wow. Guys, we have come a long way and I want to show the river flowing through. Such an amazing view. We just have to reach there now. So guys, we have finally reached. My mom, Rohit, everyone has reached, and I'll show you guys the river in front of us. It is amazing, as you can see. My mom is even trying to touch the water. The stream has extreme high current, as you can see there. Okay, and the entire scenery is beautiful. Beautiful scenery. Hi everyone. So while coming back from that river, okay, because I had asthma, so I got asthma attack and my head started spinning. I had so much of headache. I just couldn't breathe. I felt literally very sick. Okay. So I'm just still trying to, feel okay. But yeah, now we have to eat. Okay, so we have to eat, and sorry, excuse me. We are right now India's last dhaba, Hindustan ka Akhri dhaba, and this is how it looks like. Many famous personalities, including Kali, Ashish Vidyarthi. There I can see picture of, I think, Sara Ali Khan. Okay, so this is Hindustan ka Akhri dhaba, and we have ordered our food. Okay, so these are the menu for Hindustan ka Akhri dhaba, and we'll be sitting there and enjoying our food. হ্যাঁ, সারা আলি খান বলেছিল, মনে আছে? তুমি দেখছিলে ইন্টারভিউটা, ভুলে গেছো এখন। Hi, so I'm feeling much better now, and we are sitting and eating at Hindustan ka Akhri dhaba, and you can see the food. It's hot and very good for the kind of amenities that people get over here. So everyone is eating, and this is the amazing view against which we are having our special lunch today. Hi everyone, so finally we have come to the hotel where we were supposed to stay. Not hotel, to be honest, but the homestay. The homestay. So so this is Avika homestay. Hey, so this is Avika homestay, which overlooks the mountain over here, and it's wood, as you can see, and in front there is this huge mountain, and yeah, so inside also it is completely mountain. Inside also it is made of wood, and it seems like a very new structure, and not too big, but yeah, I can show you around. Some new structure is getting built on top, and yeah, this is the view from the homestay. It's an amazing view, and this is a village, by the way, and that too India's last village. So obviously there's a lot of power cuts going on, so we're just trying to, adjust to it. It's like a very mysterious atmosphere, because right beside us the river is flowing. It's very cold, it's 6 degrees right now, and there is no light. I mean, yeah, that is the situation. So yeah, that's it for today. That is all for today's vlog. I hope you enjoy every moment that I'm giving in my vlogs. I wish you subscribe to my channel so that you get updated about all the future updates that are coming up, whether it's be the shorts or the videos. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Bye.